Hi, I am Sivam Singh, physical education teacher in Unity International School. We provide a lot of sports opportunity to our children like table tennis, football, volleyball, basketball, kho-kho, kabaddi, badminton, yoga, taekwondo, etc. Along with education and co-curriculum activities, games and sports help our children to boost their mind mentally and make them physically strong. This will create a lot of opportunities to come forward and participate in district, state, and national level. Then what are you waiting for? Come and join us at Unity International School.